Morning, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris Oz, Canopies 4x4, another Mitsubishi Triton MV in today. Gonna get a roller shutter, we're gonna get a tub liner, we're gonna make sure it's not all this bare and white anymore, and we're also gonna add a tailgate central locking kit. And we're gonna get right into it. Hopefully you enjoyed the assembly and fit process. Real party trick at the moment is going to be the central locking on the tailgate. So you can see locked, unlocked, adding a lovely element of convenience to the tub. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell while you're at it. Other than that, we'll see you guys on the next one.